Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Facebook easy tutorial step by step clearly. To invest with Facebook, start by creating a Facebook account if you don't have one. Visit the official Facebook website or download the mobile app. Once registered, log into your account. Navigate to the Facebook Marketplace. In the search bar, type in stocks or investing groups. Join relevant investing groups to connect with other investors. Explore investment options by following pages focused on financial education. Utilize Facebook's search tool to find investment tutorials or webinars. Consider using Facebook ads to promote your trading or investment services. Engage with community posts to gain insights and ideas. Attend live events or watch recorded sessions hosted by financial experts. Stay up to date with posts from trustworthy financial news pages. Use Facebook to network with other investors for knowledge sharing. Monitor market trends and news through your newsfeed. Make notes of investment opportunities discussed in groups. Apply your knowledge by researching specific stocks or funds. Once you're ready to invest, choose a reliable brokerage platform outside Facebook. Create an account with your selected brokerage. Transfer funds to your brokerage account. Start small to minimize risk as you learn. Diversify your investments based on insights gathered from Facebook. Track your investments regularly. Adjust your strategy according to market performance and community feedback. Continue learning and refining your investment approach with the resources available on Facebook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.